Welcome back. Well, it seems like nature has its own way of attracting attention. Birang mangyari kailangan natin sa panahon ngayon na tag-init na parang hindi matapos-tapos yung tag-init. A downpour, but all is back and operational already. An 8-point lead for LaSalle. They try to add up to it with that long-distance shot. Jonel Policarpio falls down. 15.8 seconds remaining here in the first period.
Still an 8-point lead for DLSU. There's 3 3-pointers yan kanina sa first. Kevin Kiambao, 9 points for him.
Jonel Policarpio unable with his first free throw, had 10 points last Saturday in their opening game. He's got 3 rebounds already coming off the bench, and he get his first point from the line and increasing the lead of LaSalle to 9 right now, 23-14. Tough even to inbound for UST. Kyle Paranada goes cross-court. Here comes the attack. Dipsy to second shot. Nagawa ng paraan, Ashon Andrews.
3 seconds remaining. Policarpio heaves a 3.
Almost. Just back rim that shot. And LaSalle taking care of business, leading by 7 points at the first 10 minutes of action here against the UST. And of course, this may be our final game. A 7-point advantage for LaSalle. We'll be right back.
Get 8 gigabytes of all-access power.
To do it all.
Plus only TikTok to scroll and share non-stop. Power, work, life, and more. With Smart Power all-access data now up to 90 days. Load now.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
Enjoy only 5G data, only calls and texts, and only Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plans starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, only with Smart Postpaid.
Start of the second quarter here with LaSalle enjoying the 7-point lead that they had, 23-16. Against UST Growling Tigers. Benji Santiago, Coach Esther C. Megan Cabrera at courtside, bringing to you the Phil Oil Echo Oil 17th ECJ preseason happening here in San Juan. As we get things going for the second quarter with UST. Kyle Paranada executing their offense here. Inside. Ang hirap, maiangat yung tira, Coach Esther.
Oh, good defense there. The interior defense by Cortez against Manaytay. Ganda na ng play ng UST getting Manaytay that ball inside the paint. Ayun na, nakabawi na si Manaytay over Cortez.
They needed that, a big guy who can score and provide necessary points for UST. 5-point game here. 23-18 in favor of LaSalle. Jonel firing away.
Lumabas yung Kevin Kiambao. Pumasok naman yung Policarpio. Na-steal by Policarpio. Haba ng strides.
And he was stripped accidentally. Jonel. Medyo winded ito eh.
Oh.
Full speed ahead pagkatapos ng steal eh.
On cue, sa passing lane, kitang-kita niyang parating. He was really rushing towards their basket. Biglang natapikan ng Paranada and yung momentum sumubsob doon si Policarpio. For those who are watching us sa live stream, nung biglang naputol tayo, nagkaroon ng konting brownout dito. Kindly extend your patience. We're back, and hopefully you'll enjoy the remaining quarter, second, third, fourth quarter of this ball game.
Nag-trip.
Lakas kasi ng ulan eh.
Biglang umulan.
Mga nanonood sa atin sa live stream, especially mga kakilala natin dyan, sila Cyril Gonzalez, Terence Fortea, even watching this ball game intently. And ang admin natin sa Head Start, Romela Kilop, is also watching.
Talaga, Romela. 25-18, Jonel missing the first free throw. This is all brought to you by Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy and ABC Tile Adhesive. He's got 4 points so far, Jonel Policarpio. Oh, missing both free throws. Let me correct myself, he's got 3.
Good effort there by Marasigan, forcing a jump ball. Possession arrow goes to De La Salle.
Baseline inbound here for LaSalle. The long inbound. Jonel floats it up. Getting it back. He's fouled the second time around. He'll be given 2 free throws.
The athleticism of this guy, Jonel Policarpio, even with 2 bodies on him, was able to get that offensive rebound going back to the line.
Taking care of the first free throw this time, Jonel Policarpio. And welcome everyone dito po sa Phil Oil Eco Oil Center in San Juan. Braving the rain, still have that summery look. Pero nagbabago na rin ang panahon.
Raven Cortez called for a holding foul. USD has a chance to cut this lead.
Oh, what happened there?
Offensive foul there by Kyle Paranada. He tried to push off before getting the ball. They're going to try to review.
Coach Pido, of course, does not like the call. There you can see Kyle Paranada still needs some more clarification. Off the inbound. Okay. Parang sinasabi naman ni Coach Pido Harencio, di ba parang separation lang? You know, natanggap ng inbound pass eh.
Eh, siyempre, kay Coach Pido, sanay yan sa mga talagang banggaan eh, di ba? So, para sa kanya, yung tawag na yun, parang nipis naman nung tawag na yun. But again, that's discretion or judgment call by the referee. So, ball goes back to LaSalle.
Na-warningan for resentment si Coach Dopitz. 26-18, LaSalle. Jonel has it. Jonel drives the kick. CJ Austria gets a three.
Even the forwards of LaSalle really able to take outside shot, even the 3-pointers, including CJ Austria.
Largest lead in the game being enjoyed here by LaSalle at 11 points. UST with a shot clock going down at 5. And they lost it.
Now to CJ Austria, the first time I saw him play was in a regional finals dyan sa Cavite.
Samantala, 3-point shot. Tiyanan, hot shot. 3 hot shot. Ang hot pot pa, tiyanan na. Di bali, makakabisado ko na yan. Bukas, alam ko na yan. Pero kailangan masampulan. Hulika! They got it back. LaSalle. And lost the basketball in the process.
Ganda ng guard lineup dito ng UST. Brimo, Padrigao, Paranada, Halos walang quality na nawawala eh. Pag nagpapalitan ka ng guardia, reminiscent of the Lester Alvarez, Jerry Cañara during the Adamson Falcon days.
Pero ngayon, kailangan yung offense din nila gumana. They're down by 11 this time. And that sneaky play there. Nagawa pa UST.
Robinson using his body to protect the ball to make that basket.
Jeremy Jalen Robinson. Ano niya kaya head coach ng Lasal? Sa UST siya naglalaro.
Pwede.
Here he is in the basketball. UST with Fortsky Padrigal shoots a low one, hits it, gets the three. Lead cut down to 6 for LaSalle. LaSalle, a hurried motion to get a basket. Gigil, they lost it. And here comes UST. Trying to cut down the deficit. And one for the Growling Tigers.
Good defensive gem by Robinson. He pushed the ball, getting that no-look pass towards Manaytay. And an N1. Tignan mo naman yan. No-look pass.
Ating assist of the game brought to you by Smart. Live more today.
At pag ganitong dumidikit ang laro, sino ipapasok mo? Of course, your best player, Kevin Kiambao, comes back to the ball game. Dahil emergency, 4 na lang ang lamang nila.
Ito na naman yun, ha? Kanina, in the previous game, na-technical pa si Coach Yuri. And that's when it happened for San Beda.
Correct.
Ito si Coach Pido, na-warningan for resentment. Tatlo na lang, alamang na Lasal.
Oo, yung minsan kailangan mong gisingin ang player mo, no? And sometimes, those are the things that you need to do to wake them up.
Too close to comfort there, and a foul is going to be called on Crisostomo. Angelo Crisostomo. How about this block? Defensive play of the game brought to you by Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. LaSalle just up by 3.
So far, Rubico, the guard for LaSalle, change of pace niya. Medyo na-check netong si Robinson.
Shot clock 8 seconds. Kiambao, the 3. Didn't go. He has 3 3-pointers. May agaw rito, UST. And they complete it with a basket.
The hustle play of Robinson. Parang kukunin na ni Marasigan yung bola. Sumundot pa rin yung Robinson. And somehow was able to get that possession.
And Caballero complements it with a basket. 1-point game here that we have. Vince Marasigan. And referee's whistle halts play. A foul is called on UST. UST in penalty. Caballero has been called for the contact. And that'll be free throws here for LaSalle. Still with 6 minutes and 12. Dito sa ating first half.
Marasigan being aggressive, going to the basket, making Nick Caballero work in defense.
He gets himself on the board, making that first free throw, had 4 points last Saturday. Let's see if he could improve on that. Vince Marasigan at De La Salle University Green Archers.
Second shot is good for Marasigan.
Yeah, see how comfortable it is to watch nice basketball games, whoever you're rooting for, and bring in the bench. Sige lang.
Two-man game.
The louder, the better. Diba? Siguro, Coach?
Oo. The livelier.
Oh, dipsy-do move, almost. They got it back. Tries again. Umbrella defense. Umuulan nga naman sa labas. Baka umulan din dito sa loob ng Pinoy Ecor. UST!
Galing
How about that
naman.
banking shot?
Ibang klase talaga itong si Caballero in terms of scoring. Kahit mahirap na tira, kaya gawa ng paraan.
LaSalle just taking care of a 1-point lead. They got it back.
Strong basket there for Marasigan. The
Boris. Timeout muna tayo rito. 5 minutes and 11, but the close ball game that we're seeing here. This Smart Signature move of the game is brought to you by Smart Signature Plan Plus. Enjoy only 5G and more starting at $9.99 a month. Apply now.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
ABC, sigurado ka dito.
33-30, LaSalle with the lead against UST. Pakinggan naman natin, Megan Cabrera, what do you have for us?
Benji, much to the excitement of the DLSU fans, KQ is back after his fall in their game against UP where he was pulled out indefinitely. However, absent today also after suffering from minor concussions are Mike Phillips and EJ Goliena. Their SNC coaches reassure us that all precautionary tests were all good, but they are prioritizing their health and following specific protocols to ensure their safety. And given the athleticism and the intensity required of the players, extra attention is given to the SNC, making sure that the injuries are taken care of and that they are in tip-top shape come season and that they can endure the whole season. Benji and Coach Eds.
We expect Goliena to come back, and let's see his wares here. Para sa LaSalle Green Archers is off ball. Dalawang malalaki na hulog sa sahig. Henry Agunani at Manaytay.
The offensive foul was called there. Kaya pala wala yung Phillips, no? Thank you for that update, Megan. Minsan meron ka mga player na hinahanap. Pero the UST side, I'm trying to look for Eco Laure. Wala rin dyan sa bench.
Portsky Padrigao. USC's just down by 3. One possession gain here, 4.5. So I think second period. Shot clock is down to 4. Oh, big three-pointer there for the Growling Tigers. Chaparren, coach.
Oh, kanina ang hirap nung ginawa niyang layup. Ngayon, the outstretched arms being challenged, still makes that three-pointer.
Caballero with 10 points for USC. All tied up. USC, an opportunity to take the lead. Portsky in the paint. How about this setup? And overshooting was Manaytay. LaSalle trying to break out of this deadlock. Setting up their half court. K-count, spin cycle. Agunani underneath.
Imagine him funneling the defense papunta sa kanya, giving that extra pass to the open teammate. That's what Kevin Kiambao can do for his team.
For Kiambao, that's his third assist. For Agunani, that's his 8th point. And also has got 4 rebounds. Caballero was trying to take over for UST, but he missed an outside shot right there. Kevin Kiambao with the floater. And Kevin Kiambao, he's got 11 points.
Kaya mahirap bantayan ng mga player na marunong pumasa. Katulad nung instant nung una pumasa siya kaya hindi alam kung i-help sa kanya and was able to make that teardrop shot.
High basketball IQ Kevin Kiambao. In the meantime, sa backcourt pa lang, it results in a foul called against LaSalle. Andre Duo too close for comfort. Guarding si Portsky Padrigao ng UST. 37-33, the Green Archers. 2 minutes and 44 remaining here in the second period. Ashon Andrews. The banking shot, a miss. Agonani, the rebound. LaSalle up by 4. Kevin Kiambao most probably anticipating a call or a whistle from the referee. It did not happen. And UST. Portsky offline with a 3.
Kevin Kiambao played the role of a point forward for LaSalle. Good entry pass. Si Portsky Padrigao is really a threat sa outside. Kaya mataas ang pag-show ng depensa ng LaSalle.
Taking a look at Henry Agonani is also doing his thing here. And of course capitalizing on this penalty situation that UST has here in the second period. Free throws for Henry. Makes the first one.
9 points already dito sa ball game na to. More importantly, his defensive presence inside the paint, making the UST players change their shots. Two for two. Oh, those are yan ang mom ni JC Makalalag. Watching intently dito. Laging talagang very supportive mom of JC.
Kyle Paranada now back to Portsky. 6-point lead for LaSalle. Portsky. Ashon. Hindi luwa pa yun. Ashon gets it back. Lean in shot. Voila. UST will try again. This one, finally, after several tries.
Relentless, the UST players. Relentless in trying to get that offensive rebound and to create the basket for UST.
We have a timeout with 1 minute and 28 remaining. It's LaSalle by 4.
Get 8 gigabytes of all-access power.
To do it all.
Plus only TikTok to scroll and share non-stop. Power, work, life, and more. With Smart Power all-access data now up to 90 days. Load now. Enjoy only 5G data, only calls and texts, and only Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plans starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, only with Smart Postpaid.
And to continue with our live streaming coverage, thank you very much, Smart Sports. It's all happening dito po sa Phil Oil Eco Oil Center in San Juan for this preseason, the 17th already ECJ Preseason Cup. At ito sa banda rito, sa banda ron, samahan nyo na mga banda ang inyong mga eskwela. Pag sila'y naglalaro dito, okay na okay yan.
A while ago, San Beda brought in their band and their cheering squad, and they was able to win that game.
Ngayon naman, UST, di ba?
UST. Siyempre, kasama mo yan sa sa up-tempo game mo, kailangan mo rin yan.
A steal by Portsky. The UST just down by 4. Caballero unable. He's been trying to do everything that he could. They're not exactly far behind. LaSalle sa kanilang half-court offense. Shot clock 10. Shonell, nice spin move and a banking shot. Policarpio.
Nice spin on up and under. It's the first time we're seeing the two guards of UST together. That's Paranada and Padrigao.
41-35, UST will lose a chance to get it closer. Taking a look at once again, ating Haynes 1-and-1 highlight play of the game. Jonel Policarpio truly has developed a lot of moves as compared to what he has been showing us last year. LaSalle. Samantala, K-Cam, step back three, no! Paranada ends up in the basketball. Down by 6. USC needing a good execution here.
Last shot for UST, both teams in penalty.
Long distance shot didn't work out, and that will end the first 20 minutes of action sa pagtatagpo nga nitong UST Growling Tigers at ng De La Salle University. Ating quarter highlights, smart powered up plays brought to you by Smart Power All 99. Get 8 gigabytes of all access data, only TikTok and only all net call and text for 7 days. Load now. Close ball game that we're seeing here. Kevin Cambao, he's showing the way somehow for De La Salle as they are up by 6, 41-35.
Again, yes, every basket, it's worth a point. Every three-point shot is worth 2 points. And for every foul or the act of shooting, will be 1 point. And our supervising referee for this Haynes 101 King of the Hardcourt is Jerome Guy. Now our tournament director, Bennett Pollard, is instructing these two people what will be the rules and regulations. And to start, we will have first a photo off for the two players. Okay, to start the game, after the photo off, we will have a toss coin. Whoever wins the toss coin will choose to play first. Oh, no, it's just Jack and Poy. So the first possession will be for James Moore. Okay. All right, this is now the second edition. This is Haynes 101 King of the Hardcourt. Here it comes. Here's Moore. Moore will spots for the long two. Bangs it in. That's a two-pointer for James Moore. 2-0. 12-second shot clock now. Moore once again against Ian Torres of St. Bernard Blazers. Moore with a drive to the basket. Bangs it in. Oh, 2 out of 2. James Moore is on the go right now. It is now 3-0. All right, play continues now. Shot clock now at 9 seconds. You only have 12 seconds to shoot. Moore penetrates. Ball batted away by Ian Torres. First possession for Torres from two-point country. He fails. And the rebound control by James Moore outside. Fresh 12-second shot clock. 2 minutes remaining in this timepiece. Moore, drive to the left. The finger ball works the time. And now he has 4 points, 4-0. No score yet for Ian Torres. Approaching the 2-minute mark of this one-on-one game of the hardcourt. Another steal. That's the second steal for Ian Torres. Ian wearing black jersey. It is Haynes one-on-one game of the hardcourt. Misfires from 2-point region. The reverse. Nothing still. And Moore saves it and goes outside with a fresh shot clock. That's a long three-pointer for James Moore. At the post and missed. Ian Torres will try his luck from 2-point region. Makes it. It is now 4-2. A minute and 37 in the balance. One more time for the tie. Got it! And we are deadlocked at 4 apiece. Ian Torres will try once more. It will be a miss. And James Moore says it up is enough. We'll go outside. Shot clock only at 7 seconds. Needs to put it up. Here it comes. Moore makes his move. 1 second on the shot clock. The finger will no. Hit the iron. Fresh 14. Low post play once again for Moore against Ian Torres. Mano y mano. Shot clock at 5. He lets it fly. It's offline. And we're down to 57 seconds. So it's a running time. Teddy Bena for Ian Torres once again. He missed that time from 2-point region. And here comes James Moore from the Guangling Tigers. 5 on the shot clock now. 3 seconds. 2. He puts it up from 2-pointer. No. Ian Torres moves it back to the beyond the arc. Torres. Long 2 once again. And he's now leading 6-4. Half a minute remaining in this one-on-one game of the hardcourt. Torres now will dare James. Here it comes. Another long 2-pointer. Oh boy, he made 4 out of 6 from that area. Time down to 15 seconds. Pump fake, the release. It's good! Oh, Ian Torres. Surprising with the last 7 seconds. One more time around the clock. Oh, he is in the roll. He is in the rhythm. 1 second to go, and that should do it. For this Haynes one-on-one game, the hardcourt, 12-4 winner, Ian Torres.
Generation Z. Authentic. Real. They thrive in the mundane. But, let's be real, nobody knows what they want. Only they truly understand.
For real?
Yeah, but that's okay. We get what you need. Guys, where are we going now?
Anywhere! Mountain, beach, middle of nowhere!
Why?
'Cause we can!
Well, let me help out. Smart 5G. Best in 5G coverage experience and best in 5G availability.
Oh, wow! Those are a lot of apps!
That's fine. When you got Powerall, you could do it all. Multiple apps? No problem.
Whoa! From Wi-Fi to data in an instant!
Yes, sir. Magic Data saves you anytime you need it.
And it doesn't expire?
That's right.
Cool! Ugh, dead spot.
If only you could switch in an instant. Oh, wait.
What? eSIM is that easy?
For
For real kasi!
backed up by nationwide coverage. So, yeah, nobody knows what Gen Zs want, but we can keep up with real connection and real fast data. Live for real with Smart 5G plus nationwide LTE, Powerall, Magic Data, and eSIM.
You guys pretty much know what we need.
Live more today.
When is our app not just an app? When it gives you more with every tap. It puts power in your hands and makes you feel special along the way. It's your account manager, bills viewer and payment partner, balance checker, promo loader, points collector, and rewards giver of the stuff you love. When is our app not just an app? When it's the Smart app. Download it now.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Taking a look at our halftime score here, 41-35 being enjoyed here by De La Salle over UST. As we continue with more of the action for our Phil Oil Eco Oil 17th ACJ Preseason Cup, Benji Santiago, Coach Edster C. May mga chances na rin actually yung UST kanina eh. Ayaw magpaiwan, Coach Edster.
Oh, their hassle plays and their relentless double teaming. Yun yung reason why UST kanina medyo nakauna na. Sabi mo nga, nakauna na. Na-warningan si Coach Milo. Bumalik ang UST. Bumaba ang kalamangan sa 2 points. And courtesy of course, Nick Cabanero, who's really outstanding in the scoring department for UST.
That's a kind of a ball game. So we're going to be taking a break. We'll be right back with the second half of action.
Kampo si Babes, di ko daw siya sinu-stories.
Sa TNT Surf Saya 30, mapopost mo siya sa FB, IG, at kahit TikTok pa.
Sasaya na yan! Chitropa!
Get 8 gigabytes of all-access power.
To do it all.
Plus Unli TikTok to scroll and share non-stop. Power, work, life, and more. With Smart Power all-access data now up to 90 days. Load now. Enjoy Unli 5G data, Unli calls and texts, and Unli Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plans starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online. Only with Smart Postpaid. Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid. Generation Z, authentic, real. They thrive in the mundane. But let's be real, nobody knows what they want. Only they truly understand.
For real?
Yeah, but that's okay. We get what you need. Guys, where are we going now?
Anywhere! Mountain, beach, middle of nowhere!
Why?
'Cause we can!
Well, let me help out. Smart 5G. Best in...
All right, resumption of the action. We're just about to give you the second half. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you sa Smart Sports. Live streaming the coverage na ating Phil Oil Eco Oil 17th ECJ Preseason Cup dito po sa San Juan. Again, Benji Santiago with Coach Edster C, Megan Cabrera at courtside. UST, eto na naman, kumakatok na naman, nagdo-doorbell pa ako, Coach Edster, ha?
Oh, that's a good shot by Danting. That pull-up jumper. Nick Cabanero leads UST with 12 points, while Kevin Cabal leads La Salle with 11.
The play broken up. They go long distance, way off. And kind of wild right there for UST.
Parang nagugulat yung mga ibang kakampi ni Kevin Kiambao pag hinuhulugan niya ng bola. Para hindi pa kakilala na kaya niyang hanapin mga kakampi niya.
CJ out to Raven. Inside Henry. Bitin. It will go USC's way.
First half field goal percentage, USD 39%, LaSalle 37%. Kaya ganyang kadikit ang laban natin dito.
There you go, finding an open man inside. And Tunkara scoring his 6th point in the game. Kevin is set up to the corner. CJ lost it. Here comes USC again, just down by 2. Equalize or get the go-ahead basket. There you go for the three. Danting hits it.
Bagong pasok dito sa third quarter, itong Ganting nagpakilala kagad na siya isang shooter. Getting that three-pointer to go.
Abante pa USC ngayon, 42-41. Henry Agunade, unable. USC, Kevin Kiambao retrieves it for LaSalle. Throws a long pass. CJ, where does he go to? He was trying to go to Henry Agunade, but quick hands to the part of USC. Play broken up by Kevin Kiambao. LaSalle again on the attack here. Henry Agunade, and they lost it again. USC naman. Subok dito. The fake. And finally a basket. Manaytay up by 3. The Growling Tigers here in the third quarter, forcing LaSalle to call a timeout. And now things are looking up and good for the Growling Tigers. We'll continue right after this.
.5G coverage experience and best in 5G availability.
Oh wow, those are a lot of apps.
That's fine. When you got Powerall, you could do it all. Multiple apps? No problem.
Whoa! From Wi-Fi to data in an instant.
Yes, sir. Magic Data saves you anytime you need it.
And it doesn't expire?
That's right.
Cool. Oh, dead spot.
If only you could switch in an instant. Oh, wait.
What? eSIM is that easy?
For
For real kasi.
backed up by nationwide coverage. So, yeah, nobody knows what Gen Zs want, but we can keep up with real connection and real fast data. Live for real with Smart 5G plus nationwide LTE, Powerall, Magic Data, and eSIM.
You guys pretty much know what we need.
Live more today.
Lead change indeed, turn things around. USC is up against LaSalle by 3. At kanina, narinig ko na yung chance na ghosted.
A 9-0 run by USD here in the third quarter gives them a 3-point lead. Ang ganda na pagkahugot dito kay Danting sa third quarter na ito.
Agunade is having a tough time against Tunkara. And finally, Raven Cortez right place at the right time.
The offensive rebound for the 6'6 Raven Cortez, putting that ball in.
USC hangs on with the lead. Up by 1. Portsky, shot clock down to 4. Somebody has to put it up. Manaytay got blocked by Raven Cortez. And right now, Kevin Kiambao, will he go all the way? Lost control, pag-angat.
A little bump there by Caballero. Nawala yung balance ni Kevin Kiambao, losing that one.
44-43, USD hanging tough. Tasting the lead and realizing how sweet it is Let's see if they can continue. They go long distance. It bounce out and rebound Raven Cortez. LaSalle. Henry Agunane. They have been going to him inside. Pero Tonkara is making life difficult for Agunane. Forced to play outside right now. It's going to be trying off the dribble. Up and still can't buy a basket. Tonkara the rebound. Portsky's on the run. Portsky firing away. Unable. And Raven Cortez the rebound.
Raven Cortez doing a good job controlling the boards para dito sa LaSalle.
Agunane. Tonkara on him. Post move. The kick out. No, it didn't happen. Raven Cortez, not exactly his range, I believe.
Good rebounder by Ethan Alain. Baseline inbound here, some change of players for both teams. Manaytay going to the bench.
Ayan, kita nyo naman, everybody's interested. Basketball is alive and well. Especially college and university basketball. It's happening. Henry Agunane. How many times they really have to go? He's got to be ready, Coach, di ba?
Ganda ng pasa doon ni Ethan Alian sa kanya eh.
Padrigal got blocked by Agunane. He'll make up for it on defense.
Mix Pangilinan coming back to the ball game for UST.
How about this defensive play in the game brought to you by Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Sabihan natin, Henry Agunane. Portsky shoots up long distance, corner three, hits it up by 4 on Growling Tigers.
The second three-pointer by Portsky Padrigal.
Henry Agunane in heavy traffic.
Yeah, against 3 defenders. Ball going back. Here's the
3 points. That's Jiangnan hot pot. Hot shot 3, hot pot ba. Jiangnan na. Portsky Padrigal.
There's a coach's challenge on that last.
Si Coach Pido, sinenyas niya talaga. Possession, very, very important. Just when things are going for them, momentum is on their side. So they want more possessions. At ito, nakikita naman natin, nagkokrokis ng play si Coach Topex habang nire-review yung challenge ni Coach Pido. This is how it happened. Henry Agunane got blocked. And then, sino ba ang last touch? I'm not sure.
Close call. I think the first call was the ball goes to LaSalle.
High five kay Coach Dopids. Successful challenge. Tsaka gusto niya nga yung possession dahil yung momentum nasa kanila na eh.
Yes, exactly. And, right now, it's a 12-2 run by UST.
Portsky Padrigal. He just hit the three-pointer earlier to give him this lead. Here he is with a step-back jumper. Just back with the shot, and Agunane taking care of the rebound for LaSalle.
GC Makalalag back here in the ball game, doing the point guard chores for the LaSalle Green Archers.
The drive, the challenge, nothing there for LaSalle. Marasigan tried though, versus Tonkara.
Nick Caballero forces himself in.
May tendency rin si Caballero going one-on-one eh.
Oh. Sometimes we term it as hero ball.
Kevin! It's not happening for him here in the second half.
Two Green Archers trying to get that ball. Paranara coming in for Fortsky, Padrigao, UST still holds a 4-point lead.
There you can see the time remaining, 3 minutes and 37 to play here in the third. Almost lost, but recovery. Paranada with a miss. Ball goes out. It's LaSalle basketball.
Abadam coming in for Marasigan. Alam mo, ito si Abadam at saka Marasigan, yung build nila. Halos parehas eh. Handoff play for LaSalle, yeah.
Chonel in the paint. The nice pass. Oh! They have been waiting for that almost all game long. It's finally happened. Edreal Granade with a slam.
Good move by Policarpio. Mahaba kasi ng strides na itong si Policarpio eh. So when he does that speed move, dami talagang sumasama.
And how about this Duck Smart Power? Duck brought to you by Smart Prepaid eSIM, now available for digital delivery through the Smart Online Store for only 99 pesos.
Wow, 99 pesos lang.
Another shot block, this time from LaSalle naman with Kevin Cambao denying Robinson. We have a timeout on the floor, and it's a 2-point lead for UST against LaSalle.
Get 8 gigabytes of all-access power.
To do it all.
Plus only TikTok to scroll and share non-stop. Power, work, life, and more. With Smart Power all-access data now up to 90 days. Load now.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
University of Santo Tomas is up by 47-45 against LaSalle. Let's hear it from Megan Cabrera now.
Benji, we know Fortsky Padrigao was an MVP contender in season 85, but after a year of absence, he is just grateful to be back. He is putting aside the pressure of fans anticipating an MVP run from him, but rather he is more excited sa laro na mabibigay ng buong team. And amid the challenges he faced with his exit from Ateneo, he says he is just so grateful for the chance that UST extended to him, and he wants to make the most out of it. Hindi na nga daw mahaba ang panahon niya sa UAAP at sa UST, and he just wants to be able to lead the team well, especially now that they are establishing their culture. Benji and Coach Edster.
Well, we can understand that. Missing one whole season and trying to make a big comeback and trying to make an impact the way it was before for him. Pero itong LaSalle just tied the score at 47 all.
Breakaway, yeah, for JC Macalalag, tying that score to 47 all.
Samantana play here. Tonkara lost it. Who's going to pick it up? Robinson. No, they lost the possession. LaSalle will get the basketball once again and trying to break out of the deadlock and trying to get back the lead for them.
2 minutes, 25 seconds remaining. But
this is a big quarter surge for UST here in the third period.
Exactly.
Agunade tapping it over. There's always that challenge. No easy baskets for LaSalle here. Robinson. Lost it again.
Masyadong energetic yung Robinson.
Jeremy Jalen Robinson, he's only got 2 points, 2 rebounds. He's given the minutes here by Coach Pido Haranchuna, University of Santo Tomas. Chonel Policarpio tried his hand for that long-distance shot, and in the rebound play, there's a foul that's been called here. against the Growling Tigers. Angelo Crisostomo will pick up the personal.
Raven Cortez coming back here for LaSalle.
Long inbound. Jonel Policarpio being aggressive, trying to banking shot. Tonkara is still an intimidating factor. Serve the defense of UST. Somebody going down here. Somebody pushing. Off ball. Raven Cortez. Ang tinawagan.
I think that's against Abadam.
Abadam. Okay. Well, he has done his job. Ito si Tonkara.
Oh.
He's making it difficult even for Henry Agonane. Huh? 47 all year. Manaytay, drop pass inside. Second chance, wala pa rin. UST, third chance. Yon, finally. Nakuha sa tiyaga.
Crisostomo getting it done after the 2 misses of Mix Pangilinan.
Balik ang laman sa UST. The first 2 points for Angelo Crisostomo. LaSalle. Shonell hesitates. EJ, no. USC on the go. Touch pass, hang time, foul. Angelo Crisostomo wanting to go back-to-back with some baskets here for the USC Growling Tigers.
Good extra passing there. Manaytay to Crisostomo. 2 shots now for Crisostomo.
Sabi nila sa layo kaming bigyan ng easy baskets. Di rin namin sila bibigyan ng easy baskets. Ayan. See, they're having fun. This is what I'm talking about. Huh? Improve on your social life. Watch us here, live.
Laking tulong ng banda ng UST sa kanila, eh, no? Every time na may run sila, dire-diretso ang tambol.
50-47, UST. LaSalle, Jonel, second, hit those outside shots.
Romero with that offensive rebound, another possession for LaSalle. Last shot. Possession for UST.
LaSalle has been limited to only 6 points here in the 3rd period. Wow. Great big effort naman para rin sa panig ng UST. Yun lang. Natapos na. Trying to be more too fancy. You got to be aware of the time, especially if you're a point guard. But lots of things to learn, and that's why we have this kind of a tournament of ating preseason cup. As we take a look at the quarter highlights, Smart Powered Up Plays brought to you by Smart Power All 99. Get 8 gigabytes of all access data, only TikTok and only all net call and text for 7 days. Load now. Anything can still happen in this ball game as we go into the final canto. Very interesting things have happened here, especially in the 3rd, favoring UST to stay on top against LaSalle just by 3.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
On we go. Yes, it could also be a tropa moment. Yan ang budget tropa moment. Dala ng TNT. Mag-load na sa inyong suking tinda. Well, if you get captured by our cameras, kita nyo naman, ha? Show us the kind of enjoyment and the fun that you are feeling. Express it. And this is how we do it. for the Phil Oil Echo Oil 17th ECJ Preseason Cup. Fourth quarter, Benji Santiago, Coach Edge Tursi, and of course Megan Cabrera at courtside. UST just playing their debut performance here for this season. Na ating Phil Oil Echo Oil Preseason Cup. And LaSalle, that's a big basket right there for JC Macalala, tying it all up. Naghihingalo ang scoreboard natin, 50-50, Coach Edster.
50-50. Macalala again, the one. Kanina siya nag-tie niya at 47 all. Ngayon siya uli at 50 all.
But that's in and out. Sayang. For UST, Kyle Paranada. Oh, ito na. He has been crying, and Jonel Policarpio finally hitting something big here in the fourth quarter as he breaks up the play ng UST.
Grabe na talaga ngayon ang laro. Pero yun, fast break, stopping, taking that three-pointer ng tawag mo dyan, Benji.
Jiangnan, hot pack, hot shot three. Hot pot ba? Jiangnan na. 53-50, LaSalle, bola ng UST. And Portsky Padrigao is ready to check in. So is Caballero for UST at the next dead ball situation. Kyle Paranada, kanina sablay. Ngayon, tunay.
Tapang na itong batang to, no? Tumira ka, sablay.
Pero long two lang pala. Long two
for him.
Samantala, Raven Cortez was even asking for a whistle as he made a basket and that penetration move. 55-52 LaSalle.
Inaabangan ko rito, Benji, yung ganting, no? Kanina, third quarter, nung pumasok, 7 points kaagad ang in-score for UST. But Crisostomo still contributing for UST.
Well, he's got to step up. Tying it all up, 55 all. Good shooting, huh? At least at the start of this fourth quarter for both teams, forcing the issue. Jonel Policarpio wanting and ready that there's going to be a whistle. It did not happen. Pero ito kay Sosomo. Pag nag-alangan ka, diretso sa ring.
Walang may hanap na kakampi. Ayun, ring.
Yun lang ang gawin mong kakampi. Yung ring.
May kakilala akong player na ganyan sa GABL natin dati, si Jeff Chua. Ring lang ang kakampi.
USC lost an opportunity. The backdoor play backfired. Caballero wasn't exactly ready. Manaytay trying a good pass. Nevertheless, tied ball game at 55.
50-50 ngayon. Ngayon 55 all. Ang daming 5. Let's see where LaSalle will go. Kevin Kiambao is back in the game.
Oh, nice pass. Can it be converted though? Hindi nangyari, but they got it back. LaSalle. Jonel once again. Oh! Naramdaman niya kanina, pumasok, sinundan. Nandun pa rin.
Oh, same spot for Jonel Policarpio.
58-55. Portsky with a runner. Did not happen. They got it back. There's a denial by Jonel Policarpio, but the second time around, you cannot deny Caballero with a basket. Quickly, the answer for CJ Austria naman ng LaSalle.
Good recognition by Kevin Kiambao, seeing Austria leaking out. Ito na, yung ganting, bumalik na.
Nick Caballero, once again with a basketball. Portsky from long distance. Nope. Caballero ends up with it. Manaytay, mid-range. USC trying to keep it in play, and it will go LaSalle's way now. Henry Algonade fielded back into the ball game for the Green Archers.
Balik din kagad a big man for UST. That's Taunkara.
Long and strong on that jumper. Fortski. Inside, Tonkara. Turn around, it's a miss. Henry Agunani the rebound. K-Chem. Kevin Kimbao. CJ. Baseline drive underneath, nowhere to go. KQ. Shot clock down to 7. Puts it up and banks it in.
Dati back to the basket lang naglalaro to si Kevin Kimbao. Ngayon, like a forward or like a guard, is really penetrating. Galing sa labas, papasok.
His skills and talents have really grown para kay Kevin Kimbao. Undeniable. The next big man superstar of this nation's basketball for
exactly. Sure. Oh, napasubsub doon si Agunani. Tinamaan si Caballero going towards her basket.
They're going to be checking on that play. I don't think, kasi nakabagsak naman eh, but si Agunani, Caballero just didn't know that si Agunani nandun nakasubsub.
Nakasub. They'll try to review that.
This is how it happened.
Sa mga nanonood sa atin.
Dun pa rin lang pala. Yun may contact. Before the subsub.
Yun, napatid siya kay Tonkara.
Pero yun eh, may humabol yung kanang braso ni Henry Agunani. Tumama sa ulo eh. Ni Caballero.
This is a 5-point lead. They're requesting for another replay. Derek Francis Opilio.
At syempre, yung mga officials natin. Yun eh. Parang alam mo naman dito sa amateur basketball eh. When you go for the man, not for the ball, automatic anspo yun eh. And that could mean 2 free throws plus ball possession.
Oh, that's a
it's just a foul.
Yeah. So 2 shots for Nick Caballero. Chance to cut the lead to a 1-possession ball game. Caballero still leads all scorer, 14 points, while Kimbao has 13 when Policarpio has 12.
Caballero also has 6 rebounds and 2 assists. Let's see how it works out for him here in these 2 free throws. Still a close ball game here. Missing on the first.
In the fourth quarter, very important. Those free throws, lalo na pag last 2 minutes na yan. Crunch time.
At saka matindi rin niya. Ito, Caballero. Oh, we missed both. LaSalle up by 5. Can they be up more?
No. 5 seconds remaining in the shot clock for LaSalle.
Kevin Kimbao puts it up. It's short. USC down by 5. Fortski Padrigal setting it up. Fortski using his left hand.
Boy, in and out.
Inside 5 minutes. Oops, they almost lost it. Good recovery here for LaSalle. Shot clock down to 10. Gumawa ng paraan. Pakaniban. Very aggressive move, banks it in. extends their lead to 7. USC. No, traveling call, negating that basket. It's going to be a timeout here, and LaSalle is ahead by 7 against UST.
Enjoy only 5G data, only calls and texts, and only Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plans starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, only with Smart Postpaid.
Get 8 gigabytes of all-access power.
To do it all.
Plus only TikTok to scroll and share non-stop. Power, work, life, and more. With Smart Power All-access data now up to 90 days. Load now.
There is still time for USC to play catch-up. And of course, there's still a lot of fun time watching the action here between LaSalle and UST. See how it goes. It makes everybody friendly. All you gotta do is just come over here. Be with us. Join us. Punta na natin si Megan.
Benji, nakita naman natin ang renewed energy ng DLSU, and actually it might have something to do with what Coach Topex said coming into this fourth quarter. DLSU is playing back-to-back games from yesterday to today, and Coach Topex points out that in the third quarter, naglalakad na lang sila and they are already giving way to their physical fatigue. But he challenged his players. They knew they would be more tired today, but they need to bring out their mental toughness and power through for the remaining minutes. Sabi ni Coach Topex, don't look for excuses at push natin to. The result will not matter, but they have to fight. Benji and Coach Eds.
Iyan talaga prinsipyo. Actually, mostly yung mga coaches eh. Wala akong pakialam kay back-to-back games tayo. Kung meron tayong pinanggalingan panlalaro, bawal pa magpahinga. Ganti ko pa sinasabi. And Coach Topex knows what he's talking about.
Sa mga bata pa tong mga to.
Yun nga eh. Kami nga, may edad na. Ayaw pa namin magpahinga. Ito, kayod pa rin kami ni Coach Edstead, di ba?
Siyempre, para sa pamilya.
Bukas, 4 na games. Imagine nyo yan, ha? Babalik tayo dito. Phil Oil. Eco Oil Center sa San Juan. For you to enjoy the other games of the other teams. Nakasali. Outside shot didn't go for LaSalle. Henry Agunani keeping it in play. At nasuklian naman ni Marasigan.
Not giving up on the play. It's a big man of LaSalle.
May agaw pa yata. May counter naman para sa USC. They almost lost it. Oh, Henry Agunani. Where are you going to go with that basketball?
That's his third block shot. I think for Agunani, the fourth. The big man really doing his role. Yan ang mga gusto mo sa mga big man mo eh. Rebounds, block shots.
Nick Caballero getting very predictable here. Talk about that denial. Oh, they're going to be reviewing this from Crisostomo. Oh, parang dikit nga sa guhit ah. Long to lang. In the meantime, for LaSalle, as they have this 9-point lead, going for double figures advantage, with CJ Austria making the first. 3 minutes remaining here. What a big third quarter para sa UST, pero here in the fourth, steadiness, consistency. That's the name of the game here for LaSalle.
To think LaSalle is doing it without a legit point guard. Right now, you have Kevin Kiambao, Dungo, Austria, Policarpio, and Agunani.
Wala pa rito si Michael Phillips, yun ba yung pinahanap, no?
Ang haba na itong LaSalle player.
Jonel Policarpio. CJ Austria. Diretso para layup. USC not out of it yet. Bang! They needed that.
That's the same spot that Ganting hit a three-pointer in the third quarter when they went through a 7-0 run.
Still over 2 minutes remaining, and a lot of things can still happen. Shortened that three was Jonel Portsky bringing it down. Padrigal with his three, no!
So it's Kevin Kiambao playing the point forward role for LaSalle. Two-man game, Austria and Policarpio. Oh, sayang.
USC still keeping up their chances and hopes here, but off with that three-pointer. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung senyas si Kevin Kiambao. Dahan-dahan na lang tayo. Abati tayo ng 8.
Time management ng konti.
Jonel, alanganin yung pasa. Tried the no-look, pero it backfired for LaSalle.
Kevin Kiambao, CJ Austria going to the bench and a timeout by UST.
68-60 for now. There's still time. 1 minute and 16 remaining here in this ball game. LaSalle is up.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
Enjoy Only 5G data, Only calls and texts, and Only Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plans starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, only with Smart Postpaid.
All right, 1 minute and 16 remaining. At the rate things going, it seems like LaSalle will finally notch up a win. And the debut of UST here in the field, Oil Echo Oil, 17th ECG Preseason Cup, will make them think things over. What have they gained in the third quarter that they could not come up with here in the fourth?
Exactly. Aside from scoring 15 points, more importantly, yung defensive stops nila sa LaSalle, limiting LaSalle to just 6 points in the third quarter. Laking bagay nun.
And now USC naman is just being limited to only 10 points here in the fourth with that surge for LaSalle, outscoring USC 21-10 so far with 1 minute and 16 remaining.
Zone defense now for LaSalle, 1-3-1 zone.
Padrigal goes cross-court. It's taking some time though. Oh, Henry Agunare with another rejection.
5-block shot for Agunane. Kasing bisa ng Bostik pangtapal yan. Itong si Agunane.
Tama. Yun. Lead is 9. JC. Jonel. Shot clock is down to 5 para sa LaSalle. Jonel Best, the three-pointer. Agunane with a scrappy and of course great awareness play to get the ball back. But they can just hang on for it until that turnover. 68-59 LaSalle. 27.2 seconds remaining. The put back to Kara for USC.
Pag nag-review ngayon ng game itong UST, yan, they'll go back to what they did well, what they need to improve on, This is a first good game here by the UST Growling Tigers.
Well, they tested the waters here for UST, playing their first game here in the Spin Oil Eco Preseason Cup. Actually, last year wala sila. Dahil nagbubuo pa sila, nagre-rebuild pa. And it's LaSalle taking the win here. Their first win, losing out the first, the opening day, pero bumawi. Smart Powered Up plays brought to you by Smart Power All 99. Get 8 gigabytes of all access data, only TikTok, and only all net call and texts for 7 days. Slow down. Big fourth quarter put up by LaSalle to come up with a 68-61 victory over the UST. Ang ating Puso Pilipinas Player of the Game, Coach Ed Sir.
Ang ating Puso Pilipinas Player of the Game is none other than Kevin Kiambao. Doing it, almost all the stats line were there. 13 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists, even a block shot. Every time he's in the game, he makes things work for De La Salle.
And there he is. KQ, again, Puso Pilipinas Player of the Game. Truly, this survey, all-around player for the Green Archers. And tomorrow, check us out. We got 4 games. San Sebastian will take on Lyceum. And then there's UE taking on FEU. Samantala, MU naman will be going up against Perpetual at ang Letran will see action against Benilde. All happening here tomorrow. So join us. Patuloy pa rin tayo. And as for the rest of you, just enjoy the weekend. Enjoy this Friday. For Megan Cabrera and Coach Ed Cersei, ito naman po si Benji Santiago. Thank you very much. And we'll see you back again here tomorrow. And we'll see you at more at the ball games.
Generation Z. Authentic. Real. They thrive in the mundane.